Sa ibang balita, nagpakitang gilas sa public speaking ang isang Pinay student mula sa Semiahmoo Secondary School sa Surrey, kung saan nasungkit ang third place sa kompetisyon ng Canadian Bar Association of BC. Kilalanin siya sa report na ito.
Taking out the trash. At first, it seems like just a trivial chore. We wheel our bins to the curb, few of us thinking beyond that moment. Yet, this simple act goes further than that. It is the expression of a deeper principle, that society functions because individuals follow rules.
Ito ang tatlong-pati ng grade 11 student Maria Cuenca ng Semiahmoo Secondary School sa Surrey, BC nung sumali siya ngayong taon sa Barry Sullivan Law Cup competition ng Canadian Bar Association of BC. Ang ibinigay na paksa sa kanya, the rule of law.
I started at sort of the city level, like bring your trash out to the curb, and it evolved into sort of an international level. And my example was actually when Canada sent shipping containers of waste to the Philippines. So, this parallel with the trash being such an everyday item and then evolving into an international problem. So yes, I was discussing how the rule of law needs to be upheld by everybody, like every little action counts, and the rule of law depends upon the people, not the law itself.
Ayon sa estudyante, binigyan siya ng mga hurado ng isang buwan para mapaghandaan ang kanyang 5-minute speech. Nakalaban niya ang dose-dose ng mga estudyante mula grade 10 hanggang 12 na nagmula pa sa iba't ibang mga paaralan sa BC.
And it's an event that I volunteered for in grade 9. So, and I was very interested by the competitors. I really wanted to do it for myself and even just to join. So it was a big surprise to me and very rewarding to not only join, but also to place third.
Dalawang estudyante mula Crofton House School sa Vancouver ang nanalo ng first at second place. Si Cuenca nasungkit ang third place at $250.
I'd say there were about 10 people in my room and there were about 4 rooms. So I think in total about 40 competitors.
Isa sa mga naging judges ngayong taon ang Premier ng British Columbia na si David Eby.
I was quite shocked. I was very honored that he would be listening. I was definitely a little bit nervous, but I think ultimately I was encouraged to do my best because I've got the premier listening to me, and I really wanted to make my speech meaningful and stand out, and hopefully he would have a good impression of it.
Interesado na ngayon ang kababayan na mag-aral ng law sa universidad matapos ang kompetisyon, lalo na at naging mga abogado rin sa Pilipinas at Canada ang kanyang mga magulang.
I think a really valuable piece of advice that specifically my mom has given me is always to speak from the heart.
Iniinganyo ng kababayan ang iba pang mga estudyante mula British Columbia na sumali sa susunod na taon sa Barry Sullivan Law Cup. Ang kailangan lamang isang sponsor teacher mula sa inyong high school at tibay ng loob sa paglahok sa kompetisyon.
I just really encourage all young kids like me, especially Filipino Canadians like me, to put yourself out there to join these competitions, to even just apply and see where that takes you. I think they're really such wonderful opportunities.